In this brief demonstration, you will learn about the detailed facility reports that EPA's Enforcement and Compliance History Online, or ECHO, offers for regulated facilities. The Detailed Facility Report presents a concise environmental enforcement and compliance history for a selected facility. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to access and navigate the report, and by the end of the demonstration, you'll have a better understanding of this robust report. Let's begin by reviewing how you can access the facility report from the ECHO homepage. For more information about searching for regulated facilities and their enforcement and compliance information, please watch the Facility Search tutorial available here. The Detailed Facility Report can be accessed by conducting a facility search. Let's use the Single Facility Search. There are several ways to access the Detailed Facility Report from the Search Results page. First, from the Results table, click on a table row to display the facility's details on the right-hand side of the page. You can access the facility report by clicking on More Facility Details. Within the Results table, you can also open the report by clicking the facility name or by clicking the red C icon in the Reports column. On the Detailed Facility Report, the Facility Summary section will open by default. You can expand or collapse any section by clicking on the section header. As you can see, the report is organized into 6 primary sections. Let's click Expand All to briefly review the contents of each section. The Facility Summary section provides general, high-level information, including a map of the facility location, basic facility information, environmental regulatory interests such as permits and other program identifiers, a snapshot of the facility's current enforcement and compliance record, and links to other facility reports. Links on identification numbers take you to other EPA websites that may have additional information on the facility. Enforcement and compliance activities for the facility are organized under 4 environmental laws: the Clean Air Act, the Clean Water Act, the Resource Conservation and Recovery Act, and the Safe Drinking Water Act. This table is a brief summary of the enforcement and compliance, which is displayed in more detail further down the page. This summary shows data for the last 5 years and the facility's current compliance status. This table and most other tables in the report can be sorted by clicking the column header. The remaining sections of this report provide information to expand upon and supplement information presented in the facility summary. The Facility System Characteristics section provides detailed facility identification information, including program-specific facility identifiers, permit information, facility name and address, and industrial classification. The tables present this information for each regulatory statute and database system in which the facility is tracked. The Enforcement and Compliance section provides detailed information about a facility's history of monitoring, violations, and enforcement actions. The information in this section is organized by statute. The 3-year compliance table displays compliance status details for the most recent 12 quarters. This is an important section of the report, so for more information, please watch the Facility-Level Enforcement and Compliance Data and Error Reporting tutorial on the ECHO Tutorials page. The information in the last 3 sections of the report is not enforcement and compliance data, but it is presented here to provide you with context for the facility. In the Environmental Conditions section, you'll learn about the health of the environment in which the facility resides. For example, the watershed in which the facility resides, or whether the facility is located within a Clean Air Act non-attainment area. In the Pollutants section of the report, you can view the facility's chemical release information by year from the Toxics Release Inventory. Chemical releases are not a measure of compliance, as the reported releases are typically permissible under current laws. This information can be used as a starting point in evaluating exposures that may result from industrial activities that involve toxic chemicals. You can view the Toxics Release Inventory Program's report on pollution prevention at the facility by clicking the hyperlinked TRI Facility ID. The final section of the Detailed Facility Report provides you with demographic information for the area surrounding the facility, such as population density and income level. You can modify the radius around the facility between 1, 3, or 5 miles. There are several helpful features you should know about, located at the top of this page. Click Help to access useful information about this report. You can report a violation for this or any facility. You can also report data errors for information presented in this report. For more information on reporting an error, please watch the Facility Level Enforcement and Compliance Data and Error Reporting tutorial on the ECHO Tutorials page. If you have questions about any data presented within this report, the Data Dictionary can help. This book icon appears in each section and will jump directly to the section in the Data Dictionary for which it was clicked. As you can see, this page presents detailed information about each item within the report. For example, here is an explanation of the map icons. During this demonstration, we reviewed how to access and navigate a detailed facility report. We also learned about the detailed data presented in each section of the report. We encourage you to use the Detailed Facility Report Help page and the Data Dictionary when you are examining a report. For more demonstrations, go to the Help menu and click ECHO Tutorials. This concludes the demonstration. Thank you for your interest in using ECHO Detailed Facility Reports.